The fundamental duties enshrined in Article 51A of the Indian Constitution represent a set of moral obligations that every citizen is expected to uphold. These duties, added by the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976, serve as a reminder to citizens that rights and duties go hand in hand. While fundamental rights empower citizens to demand certain freedoms and protections from the state, fundamental duties call upon them to act responsibly and in the nation's interest. Fundamental rights and fundamental duties are two sides of the same coin. While rights ensure individual liberty and justice, duties emphasize collective responsibility and ethical conduct. The distinction lies in their nature and enforceability. Rights are justiciable and can be enforced through courts, whereas duties are non-justiciable, serving as moral and civic guidelines without legal compulsion. In a democratic society, fundamental duties hold significant importance. They foster a sense of patriotism, encourage civic participation, and promote a culture of respect and responsibility. By fulfilling these duties, citizens contribute to the nation's progress and uphold the values enshrined in the Constitution. Moving on to the 11 fundamental duties, first one is the respect for Constitution and its institutions. Every citizen must respect the Constitution, the national flag and the national anthem. This duty underscores the importance of national symbols and the rule of law. Second one is values of freedom struggle. Citizens are expected to cherish and follow the ideals that inspired the national struggle for independence. This duty serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters and the values they stood for. Third one is sovereignty, unity and integrity. Protecting India's sovereignty, unity and integrity is a fundamental duty of every citizen. This includes promoting national unity and safeguarding the nation's interests. Fourth one is defense of the country. Defending the country and rendering national service when called upon is a duty that emphasizes the importance of national security and preparedness. Fifth one is harmony and brotherhood. Promoting harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood transcending religious, linguistic and regional diversities is essential. This duty also includes renouncing practices derogatory to women's dignity. Sixth one is the preservation of heritage. Citizens are required to value and preserve the rich heritage of the nation's composite culture. This duty aims to protect India's cultural legacy for future generations. Seventh one is protection of environment. Protecting and improving the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife and having compassion for living creatures is a crucial duty. It underscores the importance of environmental conservation. Eighth one is scientific temper. Developing scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform is a duty that encourages rational thinking and innovation. Ninth one is safeguarding public property. Protecting public property and abjuring violence are duties that emphasize the importance of public resources and maintaining peace. Tenth one is striving for excellence. Citizens should strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. This duty promotes the pursuit of excellence and national development. 11th one is providing opportunities for education. Parents or guardians should provide opportunities for education to their children between the ages of 6 and 14 years. This duty, added by the 86th Amendment Act in 2002, underscores the importance of education. Moving on to the classification of fundamental duties. Fundamental duties can be classified into two categories, civic duties and moral duties. Under the civic duties, we have respecting the Constitution, national flag and national anthem, protecting public property, defending the country. Under the moral duties, we have cherishing the values of the freedom struggle, promoting harmony and brotherhood, preserving heritage and the environment, developing scientific temper and humanism, striving for excellence, providing educational opportunities to children. Let's see the key characteristics of fundamental duties. Fundamental duties are unique in several ways. They apply only to Indian citizens, unlike fundamental rights which can extend to all persons. They cannot be enforced through courts of law. Instead, they serve as moral obligations and ethical guidelines. These duties provide a framework for citizens to contribute positively to society and uphold democratic values. Moving on to the importance of the fundamental duties. Fundamental duties play a vital role in nation building. By respecting national symbols and values, citizens develop a strong sense of national identity and pride. These duties encourage citizens to act responsibly and contribute to the social welfare. They promote harmony and unity and helps in overcoming divisive tendencies and building a cohesive society. The fundamental duties balance rights by ensuring that citizens are also aware of their responsibilities, creating a harmonious and balanced society. Despite their significance, implementing fundamental duties face several challenges. Many citizens are unaware of their duties and the importance of fulfilling them. Since these duties cannot be legally enforced, ensuring compliance relies on moral and ethical persuasion. Societal divides and prejudices can hinder the promotion of unity and brotherhood. Let's see the measures to promote fundamental duties. To effectively promote fundamental duties, several measures can be undertaken. Schools, colleges, and media should educate citizens about their duties and their importance. Citizens should be encouraged to voluntarily participate in social initiatives and contribute to the community welfare. Government officials, public figures, and community leaders should lead by example, demonstrating commitment to these duties. Moving forward, fundamental duties are integral to strengthening Indian democracy. They instill a sense of collective responsibility and national pride among citizens. By fulfilling these duties, individuals contribute to the nation's progress and uphold the values of the Constitution. It is essential for every citizen to recognize and perform these duties to ensure a just, peaceful, and progressive society. Let's note some few additional points. Fundamental duties were introduced by the 42nd Amendment Act. The duty to provide educational opportunities for children between 6 and 14 years was added by the 86th Amendment Act in 2002. Similar concepts exist in other countries. For example, the United States emphasizes civic responsibilities like voting and jury duty, while Japan's constitution outlines duties like paying taxes and ensuring education. NGOs and other civil society organizations play a crucial role in promoting fundamental duties through awareness programs, community engagement, and advocacy. To conclude, fundamental duties serve as a moral compass for citizens, guiding their actions and behavior towards the greater good. They complement the fundamental rights and play a pivotal role in nation building by fostering a sense of responsibility, unity, and patriotism. It is through the collective efforts of individual, society, and the state that these duties can be realized, paving the way for a strong and vibrant democracy.